Okay, once again, my Cobalt toolbox. It's in great shape. Just a little needs wiped off. No dents or nothing. Power cord works fine. Handles, keys. A little dirty. Show you the top. No, that's my sticker. I gotta keep that. But anyways, it's a magnet sticker. But anyways, it comes with everything. Tools. Standard wrenches. You know they really doesn't freaking matter. Every once in a while you need them. Metric, Snap-on, Craftsman Professionals, and ratchet wrenches. Snap-on ratchets, flex heads, locks, 1/4-inch drives, sockets. Yes, it's messy because I just don't give a shit about working on cars anymore. But anyways, miscellaneous. This is all drill bits and freaking blah blah. Taps and heads for grinders and stuff like that. 1/2-inch drive, axles and stuff. Screwdrivers, picks, more screwdrivers. Torque wrenches, plastic gauge, freaking crescent wrenches, vice grips, wire runners, all that. Miscellaneous. Everybody who works on cars know what that is. And let's see, hammers and valve lapping guides and every damn thing, as you can see. And then, oh, hammer popped up. Heavy hammer, dead blow, ring compressor. This is wireless, so you can watch this when you're probing. LED, camera thing. All that. And I'm just looking. I need a car for my old lady, and I don't really work on them no more, and don't really care to. So let me know what you got. Needs to run decent and have decent tires. All right.